This is your day, and it's about both of you. No one else. It's about celebrating something new and starting something new. Now it's one with you and each of you. It's one as a family, and it's one with God.
Wyatt, you are everything I have ever prayed for, from how you love me unconditionally to how well you lead me back to God. I knew from the start that God ordained our story. You are my best friend and the love of my life, all put into one. And I couldn't imagine my life without you. And after today, we'll have forever to look forward to.
It feels like it was just yesterday that we went on our first date, longboarding around UW. Back then, I was certain I would never find love on a date. Well, here we are, and you're proof that God truly can use all things for His plan. I have found in you my partner, the love of my life, and my best friend. I take you as my wife before God, who brought us together, to love and cherish you.
I promise to love you unconditionally and cherish you. I promise to always be devoted to you and be your biggest fan next to God. I promise to encourage you in your faith and always be on your team.
I promise to always love you like Christ loves the church, and to always put you above myself. Come rain or shine, I promise to always support you and be your number one fan, and always protect you and stand up for you. Through all of the uncertainties and trials of the present and future, I promise to be faithful to you and to love you as far as the east is from the west.
Wyatt, I will love you forever. You are the man of my dreams, and I cannot wait to do the rest of our lives together.
By the power vested in me, pronounce you husband and wife. Wyatt, you may kiss your bride.
So today, I'm delighted to be able to watch Miranda's dream come true, being able to marry the person that she's loved and been able to support her.
Wyatt, marriage, this is man stuff, and I'm proud of you. And of the man that you are. And Miranda, you found yourself a good man. And that's in itself is something to be proud of. You guys are going to be a wonderful blessing to the world as a married couple.